Albert Einstein once said, "Within every crisis lies great opportunity." And it's 100% true if you look beyond the doom and gloom. You'll realize more people than ever before are online thanks to COVID-19 and the global pandemic, which means they're spending more money online. In fact, online shopping sales are up by 31% and online traffic is up by 73%, which means there's never been a time before in the history of the internet where so much money is being spent online. Traditional high street stores are going bankrupt and closing down due to the overwhelming power of the internet. Now imagine if you could get in front of that money being spent online. Imagine if you could take your slice of the juicy pie, which, by the way, according to statistics, is around $800 billion. Well, the good news is, now you can. Introducing Magnum, the world's best one-click automated store builder. Perfect for April 2021 and beyond. Magnum comes with beautiful pre-built done-for-you stores in the hottest online niches, ready to get you results today. And also lets you send traffic to the stores from 99 traffic sources in as little as 30 seconds directly from within the app. Here's how it works. Step 1. Purchase. Grab a copy before the price increases. Step 2. Select. Log in and select from pre-built done-for-you stores. Step 3. Activate. Click Go to blast your store to 99 sources for free buyer traffic for sales in 30 seconds or less. It's as easy as that. There's no video creation, no ranking, no paid traffic. In other words, you don't need to do anything tedious, tiring, or boring. It's as easy as clicking a few buttons. So, what is this going to cost you? $97 a month would be a steal, right? But of course, you aren't going to pay $97 a month. You aren't even going to pay $67 a month. No, not even $47 a month. In fact, you're not going to pay monthly at all. When you act right now during the special introductory period, you can get in for a tiny one-time investment. Literally less than the price of a sizzling hot pizza. But that's not all, because we believe in delighting our customers. When you act right now, you'll also get 5 brand new bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see the details below. These bonuses have never been offered before and are not available anywhere else, but you get them absolutely free. And to make this a no-brainer for you, we're totally removing all the risk for you with our 90-day money-back guarantee. And to totally blow your mind, when you act now, you'll also get our Get Results or Get Paid $100 money-back guarantee. If for some reason you don't get results with Magnum, just let us know what you tried, and not only will we send you your money back, we'll also send you $100. But hurry, act fast, because the price goes up every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more. So, if you want to tap into the billion-dollar online shopping craze and claim your slice of the pie, then click the Add to Cart button below right now to lock in your fast action discount and get instant access to Magnum at an affordable one-time price. So hurry, click the Add to Cart button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.
Hey there, my friend. Would you like to build a high-converting e-commerce store that looked this cool and made you a ton of money on top of that without much effort? Then you're going to love Magnum, the world's best automated store builder with free buyer traffic from 99 plus traffic sources. With Magnum, you can build a 6-figure online store where you can sell any type of physical products and any type of digital products. This means you can create a digital marketplace to sell your own products or an affiliate marketplace to sell other people's products. Magnum creates an attractive, super professional digital storefront for your marketplace, so it's going to be super easy to sell your stuff. See how Magnum organizes products and offers with beautiful pictures and highly visible titles that will entice customers to purchase on the spot. As you can see here, Magnum makes it possible for you to sell everything in several product categories like fashion, jewelry, electronics, groceries, ebooks, and digital software licenses into one single megastore. But you'll also have the ability to create single stores for each category of product that you want to sell. It's like having your own Amazon or eBay without the headache. But what sets Magnum apart from other e-commerce platforms and builders are its exclusive features. For instance, people can join as customers in your store with just a few clicks. This feature will help you to generate business leads straight off your store by offering incentives and exclusive perks like coupons for people that sign up. People can also join as vendors, and you can sell them a membership so they can sell their stuff through your store, which means you can have a multi-vendor store of your own and make even more money. What's more, your unique Magnum store includes a built-in blog where you can post content to increase your store's discoverability and attract more visitors, all without effort. Okay, so this is what people will see when they enter your store, and it's nothing short of amazing. But now I would like to show you the admin area, which is where you'll make the magic happen. So let's go inside the Magnum dashboard, where you'll have access to each one of the app's features. Here you can also edit everything in your store. So let's take a peek at the awesome things you'll find inside. You'll find everything you need to run a successful e-commerce store right on this sidebar menu, from managing your orders to adding and managing products. Like I mentioned, you can add several types of products to your store, and Magnum makes this easy by giving you pre-configured settings for every type of product you need to add: physical, digital, and software licenses. This is amazing because it not only helps you to add all types of products to a single online megastore, but also helps you recruit vendors in all product categories, maximizing your profits by helping you grow from a single vendor store to a multi-vendor store. Speaking of which, Magnum makes it easy to manage your store categories and even add new store categories, all from a single menu item. And if you want to monetize your store with affiliate offers, you can do so simply by adding your affiliate products in this section, complete with descriptions and affiliate link, to effectively convert your visitors and marketers into your own army of affiliate marketers. To make your life easier, Magnum allows you to upload your products in bulk, and all you have to do is add your products to a CSV file with all the product info and import them into your store. Magnum gives you the ability to manage all your registered store customers from a single panel, where you'll find your customer list and their information. Likewise, you can manage visitors that register as vendors from this section. But this is not all, because people won't just register. They're going to become paying customers right off the bat because Magnum allows you to set up paid vendor memberships and give them different selling allowances and limits. Communicating and engaging with customers and vendors is easy with Magnum, which gives you built-in email marketing tools that will let you send store announcements and other types of emails to each user type separately. Another tool Magnum gives you to maximize your profits are coupons. Here you can set up different types of coupons to increase sales, fast and easy. Now comes one of the best Magnum features not offered by any other e-com platform in the market: free instant buyer traffic from 100 different traffic sources. Magnum gives you the ability to share your store to 100 different platforms that include social media sites, popular apps, and big e-commerce platforms that guarantee you thousands of visitors every minute, all without spending hundreds of ad dollars. Magnum also gives you full control over the appearance and optimization of your store. Click here and you can customize every section of your Magnum storefront. Click here and you can customize the rest of the sections in your site, including the FAQ page, contact page, and other pages. And if you want to sell your stuff across the world, Magnum gives you ample control over your website language. So if you want to reach customers, vendors, and affiliates from a specific location, you can add another language simply by translating each language bit across your store website here. You will also find powerful search engine optimization tools inside the admin area, which will help you rank your store sky high on search results so you're the first option for customers across the world. Lastly, you will find a collection of evergreen, highly engaging blog posts to publish on your store blog that will help you keep a steady flow of search visitors and maximize the time people spend on your store website, which also influences the ranking and quality score of your store website. As you can see, Magnum gives you everything you need to build and run a super successful e-commerce website and more, including order tracking, invoice management, premium packaging, real-time notifications, multiple admins, secret admin login, multiple currencies, inbuilt messaging system, and real customer ratings. Forget everything you know about e-commerce, because Magnum's here to make building your own e-commerce store fast and easy, helping you save thousands of marketing dollars, and all without any coding skills.